Hey guys, welcome back to Javon 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back with a brand new benchmark. We're testing out Remothered Broken Porcelain for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing it out on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. As you can see, we're hitting on the boot, and the game does have the 60 FPS cap as well, so we're going to enjoy ourselves today with this one.
You can't erase memories forever. It would be like erasing time itself.
Boy, is this dark.
Memories and time go hand in hand. The consequences would be even more devastating than Alzheimer's disease.
It's crazy. It's actually going
There
over
would
the
be no
60
separation
FPS, to be honest
between
with you.
pre
I'm shocked
and
by that.
post-trauma. The memories would wander autonomously in search for answers, for a common ground. Fractured by spells of amnesia,
I'm just
hallucinations,
gonna wait until
and
she
emotional
stops talking
swings.
before I actually start up.
Two opposing perceptions would coexist, overlapping and threatening one another, to the detriment of the one truth, now shattered, the so-called porcelain memory.
Okay, great, we're done. Okay, so here we are with, I don't know why I decided to start here. Probably should have started a little later on down, but who knows if it'll work later on down. I kind of just wanted to, okay, yeah, let's get on with it. Just kill me real quick, because this game had so much potential. Dude, I was so hyped for this game, and then it came out, and then I was like, oh, okay, this isn't what I expected, but here it is nonetheless. So right off the bat, I can tell you already, it seems this version of the game is going to run really damn well. I'm shocked by that, to be honest with you. Really shocked. I did not expect it to run this well. But nice, nonetheless. We're only using over 6 gigs of RAM. That's not bad. And GPU and CPU temperatures and performance doesn't seem to be hit too hard, so this one is playable. Now, why you would want to play this on the Nintendo Switch? Who the hell knows? It's on PC, but actually it may be better on the Switch. Who knows? But nonetheless. Now, once again, I do these videos simply to show you the progress of the games. I simply want to show you how the emulator progresses. Can the emulator run any and every game? That's kind of the point of my videos.
And are you really suggesting that all this time,
and this one here that runs over
people
100 FPS, the frame cap is kind of crazy, is quite interesting to me.
That were carried out on the nuns at the plantation a secret?
I don't think I need all this though, because this is just extra effort from my computer that doesn't need it. Let's just frame cap that to 60 real quick with MSI Afterburner.
The farm, the moths.
Let's just keep it to 60. Better frame rate, you know, better frame times, everything like that. Let's not go crazy on a Switch game.
Family secrets are very dangerous. The most dangerous of any kind.
And let's move on with our lives. Sorry, for this game, for some reason specifically, I keep getting confused by which one was which. What's doing what. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. If you enjoy seeing me test these benchmarks of emulations such as RPCS3, Xenia, or YUZU, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. It really helps me out. Now, obviously, this is the first time I'm loading in the game, so it will be building of shaders, so that's why right now it's taking over 100 of them. It's going to be a bit, but that's the whole point. I want you guys to see the game running for the first time to see if it's playable, and from the beginning it looks like it actually is playable, which is actually quite incredible to me.
Miss, Mr. Ashman is waiting for you. Did you say Reed? Are you a relative?
But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys again. I'm just going to mute myself, so just enjoy the rest of the gameplay.
Please come in, Miss Reed. Come in. Don't be afraid. I don't bite. What is Reed, pardon?
Good evening, Mr. Ashman.
You certainly come a long way. You have gone from simple larceny and battery all the way to homicide. I know exactly why you're here.
Yes. Hello?
I am willing to turn a blind eye to the money and the cigarettes. Don't be fooled into thinking that I don't know about them. But for everything else, I refuse to do so. This is not a tourist resort, nor a playground. Breaking an entry, larceny. Run along now. Oh, and by the way, Lindsay will no longer be a problem for you.
The bathroom in room number 212 has to be cleaned. You also need to take in the dry laundry. Oh, and don't forget that you'll be helping Elisa in the kitchen after lunch.
Okay.
You've really done it this time. Make sure that the two of you don't get him agitated. He knows how to behave, but you must be careful. Let sleeping dogs lie. I know what he's capable of, and he does too. After his parents' death, Mr. Ashman Jr. did everything by himself here.
What happened to them?
Dead, my dear. Like all those who grow old. And I'm sure the mourning sped up the process.
Mourning?
For the nearby convent. Have you seriously not heard of it? The convent just went up in flames one day. Even this building was partly damaged.